Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Clever Yoga Set, a comprehensive 7-piece kit perfect for both beginners and advanced yogis alike. This all-in-one starter kit includes everything you need to master basic poses and elevate your practice, featuring a 6mm thick yoga mat made from extra thick TPE for unbeatable comfort and stability. The mat's double-sided reversible design ensures excellent floor traction and a grippy surface for your hands and feet. To support your journey, we've included 2 durable foam blocks for improved positioning, an 8-foot cotton yoga strap to enhance flexibility and prevent injuries, and a microfiber towel to keep your workout sweat-free and non-slip. All these essentials come neatly packed in a spacious, portable carrying bag, making it easy to practice at home or take to your favorite yoga class. With enough room for spare clothes and a water bottle, this yoga set is designed to make your practice as convenient and enjoyable as possible. So, whether you're just starting or looking to tackle more challenging poses, the Clever Yoga Set has got you covered. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.